Y'all. It's time to put that big boy horn on here. You see that there? Somewhere in that space. Somewhere in that space right there. We're gonna have a big boy horn on here. I ain't had a train horn in many years, y'all. I mean many years. The last vehicle I had a train horn on was, I think, the black Avalanche. No, the white Avalanche. I think. No, never put it on it. I don't know. I ain't had one in many years. And so I decided to go ahead and put one on this truck. It's just right, you know. Truck too big to have that little dude right there. So I'm gonna show you what I ordered in a second here. Alrighty, here go the button. I put this button in a few days ago, and amongst some other things, let me show you what I put in a few days ago too. Before I get to the horn itself, y'all, this ain't not no how-to video in any kind of way. I'm just showing you the come along with what I got going on. Alright. Oh, it's kind of dark now. That's the compressor, y'all. 3 liter. Now here go my horn, y'all.
Oh my God! Wow!
Yeah, look at it. That's the horn that came with that compressor. Quad. But I couldn't go with that junk though. Couldn't at all. I done had that before in the long years back. It sounded like a damn short yellow bus. This is what I did. Yeah, y'all thought that other one was like something when you first seen me. You like, ooh, that's kind of big. No. No. Now what it look like to you, look. Ooh. Y'all, I had this set up here before, but it was actual quad. And it was quad like this, but it was this size. And that looked like a big air conditioning unit. Now, I had a problem getting it under the truck. I had a problem because there wasn't no space. It looked like I got some space under here. We'll see. I don't want to do no spare tire delete. I'm going to try my best to not do a spare tire delete, but we can get that little dude out the way, get it out the way. This is it. 152 decibels, supposedly. We'll see what it do. Yeah, I wish it was something I can compare besides my hand. I don't know. Get that one. Back to the baby. Can y'all see him? I ain't finna get up on this truck. It's just, I done been under there too much. There it is though. Hi. I'm just showing you everything before I mount it back down. You know, straighten up this rat nest right here. Relay had to be put in. This just how I ran it all the way up to there, y'all. And I used my one of my amps remote wire part on that relay. You wouldn't understand it. Some of you will, some of you won't. I was gonna use something out here but couldn't. Then I come off of here, and there's my button right there for the horn. I'm gonna give you a sound. That's the sound of the compressor. Should have sounded like clothes. That's what the compressor sounds like when it's airing up. Alright, I'm gonna set this right here. I'm gonna blow the regular horn, then I'm gonna blow this horn. It might mute the sound out. This is my first time hearing it too, y'all.
Stop it.
There it is.